So here we go. Now you can see that behind the scene Hyper-V appeared in the server manager. Before this, we have only 4 options: dashboard, local server, all servers, and file and storage services. But right now we get the option Hyper-V. It means that feature installation has been done, and here you can see that a restart is pending on this machine. You must restart the destination server to finish the installation process. So as I click on the close button, then this server machine will finishing this installation procedure. Here you can see that I get the notification, okay, and we are going to restart this virtual machine, and after the restart we will explore further options related to the virtual machine installation. Let's move on further and explore the technology and tools behind Hyper-V.